Winterizing this coach is easy. You're going to just take one of these fittings right here that it attaches. You take the hose off and you screw this on, and then you attach a compressor here, like if you were going to inflate a tire. You put that on there, and then you pressurize the system. You want to be sure though you're not putting 100 pounds or anything in there. You need to regulate it down to about 10 to 20 pounds, and then you just go in and you open one faucet at a time, do the hot, do the cold, until you run all the water out. Okay, so when you go to winterize an RV, you want to isolate the hot water tank so that you're not having to fill it with RV antifreeze, because that would be gallons and gallons. So after you've hooked up and air to your system and blown out as much water as you can, this one is plumbed up so that this is the input, or this is where the hot water comes out. The cold water comes in right here. And so what you do to isolate the tank, you basically reverse all these valves. So you close this off, and then that keeps water from being able to come into there. And you close this one off. And so then with this closed off and this closed off, your tank is now isolated. And when you're running your antifreeze through, it's going to come in here, and it's going to go up. You're going to open this up, it's going to come around and then back, and then through all of your hot water pipes to get the antifreeze circulated through there. So you'll see a lot of stuff about how to bypass your hot water tank. This is how I bypass mine, and it's a system that stays in place, and I just have to flip valves. I don't have to take a whole bunch of fittings off. And then this one, I put a handle on this and turn it, and that just drains. I'll put a bowl up under here, and that drains what's left of this system right here. All right, next you're going to put in the antifreeze, and you just use RV antifreeze, and you're going to need about 2 bottles. It's really like a bottle and a half. And so it's real easy. All you got to do is you just take this line off right here. Screw on an adapter. This is for like putting on this attaches to like a faucet. If you were installing like a faucet for a kitchen, this screws onto that. You can get these at Home Depot or something like that. They also come flexible. And then you just screw that on here. Drop that down in your antifreeze. Put it down in your antifreeze like that. Turn your pump on, and then just go to each one of your faucets and turn it on until you see pink run out, and shut it off. Do the hot and the cold to all your faucets, your toilet, and all of that, and your antifreeze will be throughout your system. Well, I hope you're finding this series interesting, and you'll continue to watch all of the parts of it. And as usual, thank you for watching.